ये जो एक्टिविटी है गाइस, इसमें हम सीखने वाले हैं स्मॉल टॉक किस तरीके से करते हैं। और देखिए, अगर हम बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं तो बोलना बहुत जरूरी होता है। और लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी मेक मिस्टेक्स कि हम लोग ये सोचने लगते हैं कि जब मैं बहुत अच्छी अंग्रेजी बोलने लगूंगा, जब मैं बहुत अच्छी इंग्लिश बोलने लगूंगा, तभी मैं इंग्लिश बोलूंगा। एंड दैट इज द बिगेस्ट मिस्टेक दैट वी मेक। तो हमें वो गलती नहीं करनी है। तो हमारी जो आज की एक्टिविटी है स्मॉल टॉक्स, ये इसी पर बेस्ड है कि आप जैसे भी कंफर्टेबल है आप बात करें। तो बात करते समय आपको ध्यान रखना है गाइस कि आपकी जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो खड़े होते समय स्ट्रेट खड़े हो, बहुत ज्यादा पैरों को स्ट्रेच नहीं करना है, बहुत ज्यादा क्लोज नहीं रखना है, so that you can stand in a comfortable position। तो आराम से बिल्कुल खड़े होना है, इस तरीके से नहीं, क्लोज बॉडी लैंग्वेज में खड़े नहीं होना है। आराम से नॉर्मल तरीके से अपना खड़े होकर के बातचीत करनी है। और अपने चेहरे पर अगर आप हल्की सी स्माइल रख सकते हैं तो वंडरफुल। सो कोई भी टॉपिक हम लोग ले सकते हैं बातचीत करने के लिए। शुरुआत हम लोग करेंगे बाय एक्सचेंजिंग बेसिक ग्रीटिंग्स एंड सैल्यूटेशंस लाइक हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग, हाउ आर यू। Then we can go on with asking the other person's name or introducing ourselves। उसके बाद हम पूछ सकते हैं कि वो व्यक्ति क्या करता है, what do you do and all that। And इसके बाद हम उसकी फैमिली के बारे में, हॉबीज के बारे में, एम के बारे में पूछ सकते हैं। And then we can simply say bye to the person। और याद रखना है हमें, अगर हमें बोलना है किसी भी आंसर में आपको भी, किसी भी बात के जवाब में आपको भी, तो हम बोलेंगे सेम टू यू। और अगर हमें बोलना है मुझे भी, तो हम बोलेंगे सेम हेयर। और जब भी आप सेम हेयर बोले या फिर सेम टू यू बोले पॉजिटिव चीजों के लिए, तो थैंक यू से पहले बोलना बिल्कुल ना भूलें। तो इट वुड बी थैंक यू, सेम टू यू, थैंक यू, सेम हेयर, पॉजिटिव चीजों के लिए। सो चलिए देखते हैं कि किस तरीके से बच्चे कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले कौन आना चाहेगा? हु वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट फर्स्ट?
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
I am fine.
What is your name?
My name is Prashant, and your name?
My name is Gayatri. And what is your age?
My name is doing HM and go America. And what your name?
My name is Air Hostel Management. And what is your hobby?
My hobby is listening song and sing.
Oh, what is your favorite actor?
My favorite actor is Amir Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, and Akshay Kumar. And your?
My favorite actor is Akshay Kumar.
Do you like movie?
Yeah, I like the movie.
Which movie is your favorite?
I like my movie are favorite Houseful.
And yeah, this is very comedy movie.
Yeah, that's a very
my favorite movie is Hera Fairy.
The Akshay movie.
Yeah.
And this movie are very funniest movie. And what about this movie?
They are very comedy movie, comedy type movie, Hera Fairy. So that's why I like comedy movie.
Oh, you are listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music.
Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine.
What is your name?
My name is Satyan Sharma. What is your name?
My name is Chandra Vankochi. What are you doing?
Right now I'm doing BCom. What about you?
I am also preparing for competition exams.
Okay, great.
What is your aims in your life?
My aim is to be a cabin crew member. What is yours?
I want to become a teacher.
That's great. Where are you from?
I am from Haldwani. And what about you?
I'm also from Haldwani.
Okay. How many family members in your family?
There are total 4 members. What about you?
I have consist 5 family members including me.
Okay, great.
What is your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing outside games. And yours?
I like reading I like reading psychology books and also playing chess.
Okay, that's great.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Same here. See you again.
Okay, thank
Okay.
you. Bye.
All right, clap for them।
Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Long time no see.
Yeah, actually, I went to some hill station to enjoy.
Where have you been?
I went to Nainital for the picnic.
What did you yesterday?
I did some my work and I enjoyed. Rest of the day I enjoy my day. So how did you spend your day yesterday?
I went to my classes I did some household chores and enjoy my day.
Oh, very good. And
Do you like spicy food?
no, actually, I normally I enjoy the normal food, and but sometimes I go to the street alongside road and enjoy the street food. So, do you like non-veg or do you eat non-veg or not?
No, I don't.
Okay, so what kind of food do you like?
Spicy food.
Okay, did you ever try the Sahi Paneer?
No.
Okay, do you know?
How did you make?
Actually, I learned the recipe from the internet, so you should check also.
I will try.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What is your name?
My name is Imani Bhatia. And you?
My name is Saurabh Negi.
How are you?
I am fine. What about you?
I am also fine.
Where are you from?
I am from Haldwani, and you?
I am from Gangolihat, Pithoragarh. What are you doing?
Join Xcellent Academy, and you?
I have completed my graduation and after then joining Xcellent Academy.
Favorite actors?
My favorite actor is Allu Arjun and how
My favorite actor is Varun Dhawan. Favorite color?
favorite color is orange. And you?
My favorite color is purple.
My name is Nihal, and yours?
My name is Sarasi. What do you do?
Right now I'm doing hotel management from Unchapul Institute of Hotel Management. What about you? What are you doing?
Currently, I am pursuing my BCA degree from Amrapali Group of Institute because in today's modern world, AIs are just replacing human beings. So there is a huge scope in the computer science field. So that's why I am pursuing this degree.
So where are you living right now?
I am living in Haldwani and I'm currently from Bageshwar. And what about you? Where are you from?
I'm living in Lalkwa.
And where are you from?
I'm from UP, Tenured district.
Okay. And what are your hobbies?
My hobby is to play cricket and chess.
Okay.
Whenever I get free time, I play cricket.
So can you tell me what was the when did you play cricket last time?
Last Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah.
So how many members are in your family?
There are 5 members in my family. They are my parents, my two sisters, and me. What about you? How many members in your family?
There are 4 members in my family. My parents, me, and my younger sister.
So what's your plan after your graduation?
So my plan, I'm planning for a further studies, for the higher studies. And what about you?
After graduation, right now I got a job. I have no plan to do other course.
Yeah.
So in this field I will grow myself.
Okay. Are you saying that you are placed
Yeah.
somewhere?
Yeah.
Where?
So, West in Hyderabad.
Okay.
What's your plan? You will.
My future plans is to establish a business after doing jobs after my further studies. I will opt for a job, and then after job I will establish a business.
What are you doing nowadays? Nowadays, I am doing my graduation in hotel management from Amrapali. And what's about you?
Yes, now I am going to just enter in class 12.
Okay.
And I am doing my schooling from Tertiary Gateway.
Okay. And what's about your hobbies?
My hobbies include cycling or playing chess. What about your hobbies?
I like to do physical activities like exercise. Yeah.
Okay. So what is your aim?
My aim. Okay, I will tell about my short-term goal. My short-term goal is to become a barman. And about my long-term goal, I want to become a businessman.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you doing something for your aim, just for your goals, like if you want to?
Yeah, I am doing my graduation from HM, in which I am learning how to serve beverages and how to serve foods. Are you doing something for your goal?
Yes, I am just studying for it, and also I am just learning English to improve myself and improve my personality.
Okay. At your age, you have many options to do, but why you choose Indian Army to serve?
Because I think so, I can just serve my country by in that job, because I think that I can just do very much better in that field.
Tell me, is it your last? Is it your regular or?
Yeah, as you know, I'm a like BSc student, and so as a BSc student, I will go daily. Nowadays, like I'm just entered my second semester, but now. And you say like now I'm seeing you are good command in English, you English too. So if you don't mind, could you ask, give me any suggestion? How can I improve my communication and presentation way? Because you are my senior and get a lot of experience.
Yeah. First of all, thank you for that compliment. But I don't have that much fluency over this language. But from my experience, I would say that what I have learned in recent years. I can tell you that one thing you need to focus on is your practice. How much time you are giving to this language will make you fluent in this language. Like I tried talking to people. The first thing that I was lacking was the confidence. So I did it by joining academy. Like we are here in Xcellent Academy, and we talk to people here, and we do activities which like group discussion, debates, and other stuff. And apart from these activities, I would recommend you, talking to people.
And you?
And I am chess trainer.
Which institute? Which?
Institute. Yes, I am from UNQ Mentos. This is our institute who organizing chess
Where is?
awareness program.
Where?
This is in Himmatpur, Malda. So are you interested to join?
No, I am not interested.
So are you want to play learning chess?
No, I am not interested. Where from?
I am from Haldwani, and my studies are in Haldwani. And what about you?
I'm from Pithoragarh. Right now I am Haldwani.
Okay. So you are preparing for competitive exams. Okay. And any other things?
What is your hobbies?
My hobbies is watching movies and traveling, but not playing chess.
What is your favorite movies?
My favorite movies is Shutter Island. This is a Hollywood movie, and this is a mystery suspense genre movie, and I like this movie very much. And what about your hobbies?
My hobbies are listening music and reading novels